Hey guys, how you doing? In this video I'll be teaching you how to recover from every drawdown you possibly have in your journey as a forex trader. As a trader, you experience periods of drawdown simply means a period where your strategy just seems not to be working. It feels like the market is against you. I had that kind of situation in the market 2 weeks ago. That's like the worst drawdown I've had in my forex journey, but let's say just this year, right? I had 7 losing trades, like 7 freaking losing trades. I'll open a trade, it hits stop loss, open a trade, it hits stop loss. At the point where you're entering the buy, it just starts selling. It was actually quite daunting and mentally challenging, especially for my style of trading. Of course, I've mastered my strategy over the years. This is the same strategy I've been using for about 4 years plus right now, consistently the same strategy, and I lost 7 straight trades with it, managing a very large portfolio. It was actually quite mentally challenging, but however, I was able to recover that drawdown in just 3 trades. Just 3 trades, I recovered a 7 straight losing streak, and that is something that you can actually also learn how to do. It's actually not as hard as a lot of people actually make it seem. Now, when you have those kind of drawdowns, there are 2 things worthy of note. That if you note these 2 things I'm going to teach you in this video, trust me, every single drawdown you encounter in the forex market will probably be just another drawdown that you probably learn from and become a better trader, by overcoming that drawdown. Okay, so these are the 2 things I want you to actually note. Number 1, when you have a drawdown, the worst thing you can actually do to yourself and to your trading experience is to change strategy. When people have drawdown, this is the period where they start jump into YouTube, start searching what is the best strategy to trade, no matter the market condition and all of that. But the truth is this: no matter the strategy that you are trading, you will definitely experience periods of drawdown. It is actually quite normal. A lot of newbie traders, once they experience a drawdown, just like I did too when I was a newbie trader, I started looking for another strategy. I jumped out, started looking, went on YouTube, started searching what is the holy grail strategy. But there's no holy grail strategy out there. No matter the strategy, trust me, I'm a 7 years experienced trader. I've been trading the market for 7 years, and I can tell you this: there is no strategy out there that is a holy grail. Every single strategy out there has a period where they are doing well and a period where they are probably not doing well, and this is something you need to be at peace with. At some point in your trading career, your trading strategy will feel like it's not working. Okay, now the worst thing you can do to yourself is actually to dump that strategy in search of another strategy, because that way you will not be able to do the metrics and find out how long it will take for you to recover with that same strategy in case you meet the drawdown later in the future, because you will definitely meet another drawdown sometime down the line. Okay, it's always very strange to traders, especially my members of the Cash Club 500 program, which is my private mentorship program. It's always strange to them when I teach them, when I tell them that as a professional trader, every month might not actually be profitable. It's not every month, really. I'm being realistic right now. It's not every month that you're able to hit, let's say, your target of 5%, 10%, managing a client portfolio, which is basically what I do, right? That's for managing my own private portfolio. I have an array of portfolios I'm managing. That's how we make money as a company. Okay, so one of the things they are always surprised when I tell them is that every month might not really prove. There's some months where it ends in break even, especially in months where you have severe drawdowns, okay, where you lose, like, let's say 5, 6, 7 trades in a row. It can be mentally, it can be really psychologically challenging, right? But how I was able to do it is, first of all, I didn't dump the strategy. That is one thing I actually want you to note. Do not dump your strategy just because you have a drawdown. Now, the second thing that would actually help you to come out of a drawdown very fast is target only high risk to reward trades. Okay, now the reason why I was able to recover 7 winning streak with only 3 trades is because for when I had that 7 losing streak, I was quite, every trader will probably tell you this, okay, that once you have that kind of losing streak, there's this feeling of fear to actually trade that account. It feels like, oh god, what if I enter another trade now and it loses again? It's quite fearful, right? The worst drawdown I have is like 5. Prior to this time when I had 7, I think I've had like 7 sometime maybe last year or so, but this is like the worst for me this year. 7 straight losses. It has not happened this particular year. Okay, so when I had that, I had to sit down and reanalyze my style of trading. I asked myself questions: am I following my strategy? The answer was yes. The next question was, what do I now do to come out of it? The answer was, target only high risk to reward trades. Okay, so what I did was to make sure that every other trade I was going to enter on that particular account, I only targeted trades that had the potential to give me at least 1:3, so that every single trade will recover 3 losses. Every single trade will recover 3 losses. Now I moved from I moved my risk to reward a bit higher so that I can be able to recover, and that is something you should do or pay attention to anytime you have a losing streak. Most traders, what they do, which is quite the opposite, is that they try to now start scalping. They start trying to scalp the market. Okay, they risk 5 pips, let's say maybe they risk 10 pips to make like 7 or 8 pips, just so that they can be in and out of the market quick to recover their losses. But that's like the worst thing you can actually do to yourself. Once you have that kind of losing streak, increase your risk to reward. Target a higher risk to reward so that every single trade will recover at least 1 or 2 or 3 of the losses for you. And that was how I was able to recover 7 losing trades with just 3 winning trades. You can also do it for yourself. Now, if you actually want to come under my mentorship, where I guide you into both forex trading, stock trading, and business in general, which is actually what we're venturing to, like fully, we're diversifying our mentorship program from just being only a forex training program to diversify into stocks, so that you learn how to start investing in stocks for yourself and for your children, right? And also to learn how to actually do business. We're diversifying the company into some other areas which I know would actually be of interest to a lot of especially young people, right? So this is actually something that we are doing. So there's a link. The website has actually not been updated to actually express what we are doing currently as a company, but however, the website link is actually still on the will be on the description. If you want to join our lifetime membership training program for both forex, it's called the Cash Club 500 mentorship program. It's actually designed for you. Currently, as I'm speaking to you, it's still a one-time payment lifetime program, but from the 1st of October it becomes a subscription program where you actually have to pay for 3 months membership, a 1-year mentorship, or probably still a lifetime. But the lifetime is actually going to be like maybe 2 or 3 times more than the current price for a lifetime registration. Okay, so click the link right now. Let's see you on the other side. Let's learn how to make money, how to be able to build a portfolio from $10 portfolio to the current amount of money I'm currently managing right now in the forex market. So it is also possible for you. So click the link right now. Let's see you on the other side. Click the link right now. Grab that program with your 2 hands. Let's get let's make money in the forex market. Cheers.